welcome to my channel and wishing you and your family a happy holiday season. If you are new, do subscribe to my channel and also follow my Instagram page Sweetiescape. I can guarantee you will find some trendy makeup looks, nail art and hairstyles. So let's begin with the tutorial today, which is also beginner friendly, and you only need one family of colors, and I have used the red palette, that is the Poison Apple palette by Nika K. So first you need to use this red matte kind of shade, and you need to use a dense blending brush and place the product right into your crease. Don't put it anywhere else, and right into the crease and move it back and forth. And you can also put a little bit on the outer edge. So now all you need to do is blend in the same area. Next, take a little bit black shadow and gently put it on the outer corner of your eye where the red shadow is, and blend with the same blending brush. Make sure you're not taking the black color into the lid area or into the inner corner. So just blend it onto the same area where you have used the red shadow. Next, take a soft fluffy brush and remove the harsh lines by gently rotating the brush, and make sure you are doing this very light-handedly. You don't want to put too much pressure because you're creating a very soft, smoky kind of look here. Next, take the shimmery red shade and put it on your fingertip and place it gently in the middle of your eyelid. This is how you create a glamorous Christmas look. Next, take this bronze shade and again use your fingertips and place it in the inner corner of your eyelid. So basically we are creating a kind of transition over here. So you can use a flat brush to gently blend everything together. Now use a highlighter of your choice, put it in the inner corner and also your eyebrow arch to highlight it. Next, I'm taking this black eyeliner and creating a very thin line on the upper eyelid. Make sure it is close to the lash line. Next, I'm going to take a micellar water and gently use a cotton pad to remove the excess on the outer edge because I want to create a sharp kind of look. So I'm going to remove and then put some concealer there to make it even sharper. You can use a concealer wand or a brush, and then take a damp beauty sponge and blend it. Next, take the same dense brush and use the red and black shadow on the lower lash line. Now get ready for the final look, guys. So I will be putting the details of the other products which I have used for my whole face in the description box below. Hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.